Hey everyone, if you've been following the political scene in Zimbabwe, you're in for a significant update. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the man at the helm since his inauguration in 2017, has recently hinted at a major turn in his political career. Let's dive into what's happening. During a recent event in Victoria Falls, where the groundbreaking for a new cricket stadium was taking place, Mnangagwa, speaking in Shona, shared some unexpected news about his future. He said, "When I looked around, I realized that several businesses will be established here, such as butcheries. So I thought that since I'm about to retire, I will venture into livestock farming and sell the cattle here and make money." Quite a shift from running a country, right? Now this comes amid some intriguing political maneuvers. Some members within his own party, ZANU-PF, have been pushing to amend the constitution to allow Mnangagwa a third term. Despite these pressures, he's sticking to the plan of retiring at the end of his current term in 2028. What does this mean for Zimbabwe? Well, his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, is expected to take over the leadership of the party and possibly the country. This transition could mark a significant shift in Zimbabwe's political landscape, considering the power dynamics and the history of leadership within ZANU-PF. But not everyone's convinced. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba has firmly denied any plans to amend the constitution, emphasizing the clarity of the existing term limits. This dismissal might reassure those worried about potential power grabs and the stability of democratic institutions in Zimbabwe. So, what do we make of this? Mnangagwa's move to step down could be a pivotal moment for Zimbabwe. It symbolizes a potential adherence to democratic norms, something that's been contentious in the nation's political past. And for Mnangagwa, well, it seems he's planning a quieter life, swapping political strategies for cattle trading. Quite the retirement plan. That's all for now, folks. Keep your eyes on Zimbabwe. The next few years will be crucial in determining the trajectory of its governance and democracy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to stay updated on global political shifts. Catch you in the next video.